Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Best of PowerPoint, and today I will be showing you how to create this beautiful bubble animation effect in PowerPoint 2016. You can see that these bubbles are transparent and do not affect the visibility of your text, and rather they just attract the attention of your audience towards your slide. So without wasting any time, let's get started with the tutorial. First of all, you need to create this bubble in your slide. So go to the Insert tab and insert a circle in your slide. Click and drag the mouse button while holding the Shift key to insert the circle. Then right click on the shape and select Format Shape. Hit the Fill button and then Gradient Fill. Select the gradient type as radial. Then you need to play with the gradient stops in order to fill the color in the bubble. You need to insert approximately 5 to 6 gradient stops at equal distances and just click the mouse button to insert a gradient stop. The only colors which you are to use in these gradient stops are sky blue, pink and purple. Just closely observe my actions on the screen and try to match the colors which I am inserting in these gradient stops. However, you don't need to copy it the exact way. Just take care that you need to choose from only these three colors, that is sky blue, pink and purple, and the tones of these colors should not be very dark. Otherwise, it will affect the transparency of the bubbles. When you are done inserting the gradient stops, go to the next tab named Effects and hit the 3D Format option. Click on Top Bevel and choose the first style named Round. Increase the width and height to 50 points. Then go down and change the counter color to white. Click on Material and choose the very last option, Clear Translucent. Then go to Lighting Styles and choose the last second option, Glow. Also set the angle to 110 degrees. So our bubble is now ready to get animated. You can again review its colors and change them if they seem to be too much dark or if you want to change the color tones a little bit. Now beginning with the animation process, select the bubble and add custom motion path effect to it. Please do take care that the bubble should be placed out of the slide and the motion path should also end at the other end of the slide. You can now draw your own custom path. However, to make the path simple, just go to the effect options here and select this S curve. With this, it becomes very easy to draw the motion path. After that, you can adjust the size and length of the motion path and edit its points. Now open the effect options and reduce the smooth end button to 0 seconds. Under the timings tab, set the duration of animation to 8 seconds and click OK. Then add Grow or Shrink animation effect to the bubble. Under the Timings tab, select Start with Previous, add a delay of 6 seconds and set the duration of animation to 0.1 seconds. Then the final effect which we need to add is the Fade Exit effect. Select Start with Previous, add a delay of 6 seconds and set the duration of animation to 0.1 seconds. Let's see what we have achieved so far. Perfect. So the bubble makes an entrance, slowly moves, and then bursts to make a beautiful exit. So this is the basic of this animation effect, and you can further modify it to create something unique out of this effect. Like you can duplicate this bubble and increase or decrease their sizes and change the motion paths applied. With this, you have got a number of versatile options to try with this animation effect, and you can use it to enhance your text, images, and other objects. So that's it guys, I hope that this video was helpful to you. Please like and share the video, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.